Hello everyone and welcome. This is Codestar Technologies and I'm Rico Banks, and today I would like to take you through one of the test exams for AutoCAD certification, that is from Gmetrix. As you can see, this is the software that they normally use to test the exam, and this is a very nice video for the guys who are maybe like you're doing a diploma. Let me start the exam showing resume because I want to start it from scratch, something that I post now. It's a very nice video for the guys. I'm going to use 2020 here, sorry. So it's a very nice exam for the guys who are taking certificate NEC, that is ICT. You normally do take this AutoCAD thing in module 2, that is on computer application, and also QuickBooks. And again, for the guys who are taking diploma, this is also another exam which is very nice for you. That is, if you are taking diploma in ICT, in module 2 you normally do this kind of exam. So I'm going to take you through the whole questions together one by one, and I think this is the last question. So this is the first question. So we are going to do all the questions together. So as I said, this is a very nice course for if you want to specialize on AutoCAD. This is one of the best courses that you can do from Gmetrix, Certport, that is Microsoft. There is a very called Certport. I've also trained as ICDL. I'll try to take some time, at least one of the fine days, and do a video on ICDL stuff, especially Excel, and maybe PowerPoint, Access somehow, though Access is not that much used, and even maybe Word, at least for you to get to understand what happens in these certifications. So let's not waste a lot of time. Let's start this session, and this is the exam. And this exam has got how many questions? Around you can see it is one of the 30 questions, and the pass mark is 700. In most cases, those certifications pass mark is always around 700 marks, because I think it's always more than the total marks is 1000. So let's rush because the time is not on our side. When you take this exam, it's normally you normally do the exam within how many minutes? 50 minutes, and these 30 questions for 50 minutes, something like that. Then once you get 700, you get certificate and you are good to go. AutoCAD is a very powerful software that you need to know how to use it. So now there is this document that is on G templates new flow. I've already opened the document. This is it. So we are being told now. Let me open the exam here. So this is the question. Open new flow, whatever, a document from AutoCAD. Activate the template or from the named view. So what we mean is, from this document, as you can see, new flow plan, and we get to the view, and on the view we open, we're supposed to open table. I think is it table? That is the problem. Yes, table. Then we rotate that table 90 degrees. So that is what you're supposed to do. So this is the table. To rotate the table, you can just go home or you can write rotate. So this is the tool for rotate, this one, as you can see, rotate. So you select whatever you want to rotate, you press enter. Then the point of rotation, we are being told rotate the table 90 degrees, selecting the geometry center. So it's supposed to be the center. So this one, and you type 90 degrees and press enter, and automatically it's going to look like that. Then the question is, what is the distance from corner 1, this is the corner 1, to what? To this corner. So that's what you are supposed to answer. And in this case, you can see I answered it as 1.5. So where do I get 1.5? You can can see this is the corner that we are being taught. So you can either use measurements, this tool, and you click, but that is not the best way. The best way is just draw a line from here to this corner. You can see the nodes are showing very well. Then you select this line and you can check the dimensions here. You check the length. As you can see, where is the length of the line? This is the length. So you can see it's 1.2 whatever. So you copy that and come to the system, then you paste there, as you can see. So that one is like that. Then you click next, and that is correct. You get to the next question. Now let's you can see it's correct. You get to the next question. Next question, what is it saying? The next question, create a from which document? Gmetrix. We need to open a new document, separate document. So you can click file, new, and specify here to be Gmetrix. I like coming here, Gmetrix, like that. Then now draw this diagram. So we start with the 15, 23, and 27. So it's just a matter of picking a what? A polyline. Polyline, you can write a command. There are simple commands that you can use. PL means polyline, okay? Or you can write polyline in full. You can see it is here, that is polyline. Then you make sure there is auto mode here, it's on. If you don't have auto mode, you can see it's not drawing in a straight line. So to get a straight line, I need to take it auto mode, something like that. So in our case, it's 15, 23, 27. So you write 15, enter, 23, enter, 27, enter, and you close. You can write C, type C, and you press enter, and it's going to close. So once it's closed, you are being asked to check the length of the polygon. To check the length of the polygon, you just need to select this one, right click, then you go to properties, and this is the properties. So we are asked about the length. This is the length. You just click there and you copy this one, and once you copy, you close, come to this one, you paste. You can see, so it's supposed to be 90.4. That's what I did. Next. So you can see the answer is correct. Continue to the next question. Now we are on question 2. This is about which template? Home. So you come here, you open document home. All these documents you are provided with. So home, you get to which part? You get to the view and look for line. You get to the view and look for line. This is the line. Then the line, you are being told to do what? You are told to draw a line from from here, that is from point 1 to point 2. So this way. So it's from here to here. So we just go to home, select line, or you can write line. You click there and you click there and escape. Then you are being told to check the what? Select the line, check the delta x of the line. The delta x of the line, it's on also the property. When you select the line, you'll come here and you'll see there is delta x. So delta x is where you click that way. Okay, copy, you close. You can see delta x is 1.27 point something. So you just come here and type enter. Like that 0.0. You can see these ones, it needs like 3.2 decimal places. 2 decimal places add a 0 so that it can be correct. Next. So is our answer correct or wrong? It's correct. Let's proceed to the next question, which is number 4. Number 4, we are being told to go back home, document, then under view tab we are going to select panel, select hack. You go to view, select hack, that way. Then this is it. Now here you are told to do what? To draw an arc for this rectangle which is here. So yeah, you're just given the points. So you just need to go to home, pick hack. This is the hack. and when you are on exam room, your phone needs to be switched off. Anyway, let's proceed. So here we are being told to using point one. Point one is here. Select box, center, and something like that. Let me just choose a hack here to have start, center, and end. Start from here, center, and end here. So this is our arc, and once we get our arc, you check the length of the arc. So you click that one and you check here. You can look for length. There is like arc length here. So arc length, you just select that way, copy that one. Once you copy this one, you can close, come here, paste here, and you are good to go to the next question. And that one you can see it's correct. It's correct. Yes, correct. Continue. We are on question number 5. Question number 5, we are told to open home tab, select room B. So view there, room B. Room B is here. When we go to room B, we are told to draw this polyline. Is it poly what? Draw a polygon within line room B. So polygon, you just click there. You can type polygon. So you click polygon. Then here it's asking the number of sides of that polygon, and you are told here it's 5 and the radius is 5. So here we come back and say 5. We press enter. Then you specify the center of the polygon. You can click there, and then you click inscribe, because here you are told to use inscribe here. So inscribe, and then you can make it look like that. Then you're going to type 5 to be the radius, like that. So that is it. So once you do that, what is the area of the polygon? You select the polygon, and once you select, as usual, you come here and you look for the area of the polygon, which is this one. So area of the polygon 59.44. So come here, paste, say next, and as you can see, that one is correct. Continue to the next question. Question number 6. Obviously will come some questions that maybe I might have some challenges. We go to this question 6. You go home, under what? Under the view tab, choose panel, select polygon. Views polygon. Where is polygon? Polygon is E. That is polyline. Sorry, is it polyline or what? Let me check. Yes, it's supposed to be polyline. Then polyline, you need to have I think from here, and here. So you draw a polyline that touches this point, and this point. So to do that, you just need to click on back here, then you choose polyline. Is it polyline? Sorry, you know, they confuse polyline, polygon. So I click from there, here, then to there, and we end there. Then you press enter. Then you're asked what? You're asked to specify the length of the polygon. So when you click like that, you'll come to this one, and length of the polygon is this one. So you copy paste, copy, Control C, and then you come to this one and you paste your answer here. So it's going to be 387 blah blah blah, and as you can see here, this one is correct. Next, and your answer is correct again. Next question, we are on number 7. Number 7, we are told to do what? Home tab, views, then bathroom. So views there, bathroom. We choose bathroom. Once we choose bathroom, we do what? We pick the sink and move. That is how sink it's shown, and move it on the left 50 units. So this is the sink. Once you pick the sink, you can type M for move, or you can type move in complete. Then you specify you want to move from this base point, then you specify 50 units like that, and that one is correct. Now that from there, what is the position X value of object? Position X, you select this one, you come here, you choose for position X. That is the position X. You can click that way, you copy, and you come here and set it there as like that. You can see decimal places are okay. Next, it's very important to make sure the decimal places are correct. So continue, that one is correct. We're on question number 8. Number 8, what is it asking? Number 8, they are asking under view, you go back to object C. So you close this one, views, views here, object C, and on object C you are told to do what? To rotate a C object in the matching the image. So this is the image, that's how it looks. This one is what we are going to rotate. So this one we select, and once you select this one, I've selected, you can either write rotate because I showed you how to rotate using the icon. Then rotate, you specify you are supposed to rotate from the middle, I think. Rotate AC drawings match the image. Anyway, let's come here. So I click at the center, and that way, then I type 90 degrees like that. So that one is okay. Now after rotate it, it's look like this. So what is the position X of object? So you select the object again, and you come back here, look for position X. So position X, you highlight, copy, close that one, is not now, yeah, that way, paste, decimal places, okay. Next, this one you can see it's wrong. Why? Maybe I did wrong rotation. X position value, or X position value. So is, yes, I choose X position value and Control Z. Let me undo and check. So select this one, go home, I can pick rotate, then you click, you want to rotate that, then the center 90 degrees, press enter, select this one and choose position X of the, you can copy, I think it's like that. What is the problem? 94. We have got 3 5 5. What is the X position value of C? I think it's that way. Let's check. Incorrect. Why is it incorrect? Under the view tab, select object X, I want to undo, like that. So view tab, object, then select that one. Once you select object named view, rotate AC object in the drawing to, so I rotate using that point. I think it's this point, not that one that I was using. So I write rotate. Let's see. That's why I told you these ones are very tricky. So this one, 90, enter, then select that way. Position X, I think position X is not changing to any of those. What? Position X, position X, Control C, come back, Control V, then next, correct. Okay, so that one is correct. Next, we go to the next question here. What is it? Point on home. Under the view tab, within the views panel, select the bathroom. We're going to select the bathroom, so I think we moved that one, so it's supposed to go back to where it was. Bathroom, I think we moved to this one, so I can move it back to where it was. It's supposed to be here, like as you can see here, this image, it means it is attached to the wall. So to do that, you first of all select this one, and I move back to where it was, is the base, and then I can write 50, press enter. Then what are we asked? We are asked the scale the sink factor. We are going to make it this to 0, that is scale y and scale z factors to be 0.05. Then we check the distance from point what, from here to here. So how do we do that? We select our object, come back to this one, set no, we're supposed to come here and put 5 again, 5, that is 0.25, 0.5, 0.05, like that. And then once we do that, we are supposed to, we can draw a line, or I think a line is better. I draw a line from here to here, it can be better, escape. Then I pick the line and check the distance, which is the length, like that, copy, I can close. And if I come here, it means now I have got the distance from here up to this one. So in that case, now I can put 34 point something. Is it correct? Let's check. Is correct. Now we get to the next question. This is the question which is number 10. Under the views tab within the views panel, select the trim named. So we come here, views, views tab, trim is where? Trim is here. Then once we select trim, which rectangles do you select as your trimming object in order to have an something like this? So it means definitely it's which one? It's this one. So I think I will write what? Well, yeah, supposed to be B, box B. So I'm write box B, like that. Right, next. It's telling us correct. Continue. The next one is under the view tab, we are going to choose trim again. Then we extend this line. So in that case, what do? We are under view, trim again, and under trim we pick this line. Sorry, I'm supposed first of all to write extend. You can write EX, and then you select whatever you want to extend, this one, and maybe to this way. Then you press enter, and then you click crossing this one. You place the cursor like that, it's going to show up like that. So now the question is to find the length of line 1. Line 1 is this one. So you click line 1 like that, and you get the length from here. So you copy this one, you get to this area, Control V, decimal points are okay, next, correct, okay, continue. The next question here, it's this diagram, and it's under home drawing. So we are supposed to do what? We are supposed to go to array. So you click there, view, then there, array, I think it's on A. Then we are told to offset line 1 50 units from left. So line 1 is this one, this is line 1, so line 1 is this one. So we are supposed to offset. You select, you write offset, then you move, you select what, specify offset distance. Offset distance is 50. Press enter like that. So that is it. And once you are done, you select this one and find the radius of that one. So when you select obvious radius, you'll get from here, and as you can see, radius is 90.32, sorry. So next, and as you can see, we are moving to question number 13, and this one of ours, is it correct? Tell us whether it's correct. Want to know whether it's correct. It's correct. The next question here is about what? It's not showing. Under home drawing, then we are going to select trim, select box 1 using grips. So where is it? It's not showing. I want the image to load. So let's go and select trim, view, trim, then we select box what? Box. Which is which? We can go back, we can go next, so that we can check whether it can load. Don't know why it's, oh, okay, I've got some internet issues. So I can pause this one. Okay, we are back. Sorry. Let's get next. That one we have done. We get to this one. So this one, it's back to trim, then select box 1. Box 1 is this one. Then once we select box 1, we are going to stretch box 1 to have to 30 units. So we select box 1, this box 1, and we can write stretch. Then you select where you want to stretch from upwards, then you write 30 units. I think here 30 units. Then we check the length of the newly formed polygon. So we click that one, length of the newly formed polygon. The newly formed polygon is 1079.31. So like that. Let's check whether it's correct. It's wrong. Trim, that is, we go back. I can undo, then select this one, then select stretch, type stretch, base to displace, you click this one, then you write that. Am I wrong? Oh, what has happened? Undo. Box 1. Why is it not selecting box 1? So let's trim. It's supposed to be trim. supposed to be trim. Yes, let me first of all select another one so that I can check whether it is loading of the images that is not working like that. Stretch, press enter, or you can click stretch, then stretch, specify the base point. The base point is what okay, instead of having all those things, I can move all the way like that. Then I click, because it's supposed to hit that point. Then I select now the undo. What is happening? It's supposed to select select this one. Okay, what is happening? That way. Then length, is it length or what? Length of the newly formed polygon. Length of the newly formed polygon. If it fails now, we're gonna move next, because I told you some, yeah, it's going to fail because that is not what's supposed to be. No, incorrect. Let's first of all continue to the next one. The next one is still we have got new walls. So here we click on new walls like that, and on the new walls we are told to join line 1 and 2. So line 1 is this, line 2 is this. So you can type join, press enter, select line 1, press enter, select object. You can select both, then you press enter. So it is joined. So once it is joined, now you are asked to find the area of the formed polygon. So you can click like that. Area, where is area? Area is here. So we copy this one. So we paste this one here and we click next. That one is correct. So we have got an arch here. Arch, we are supposed to click here, look for arch. There is arch. Arch is here. So this is the area that we are told to arch, this one. As you can see here, you just notice because of this corner. So we check the arch and check the area. So arch, you just write the command for arch, press enter, you click where you want to arch, and once you click, now it is going to look like that, and we look for the area of the arch, whatever. So I'm going to copy and paste it here, then next, and it's going to tell me that is correct. Then we get to this one. This you are going to select layer properties named, and you turn it off. So this is playing with layers. So layer properties, then layer properties, you can click on layers. The best way I normally get it from home, I click here, then I turn it off here like that. Then I click turn off. You can see they have disappeared, and now you are asked, after disappearing, what is missing? I think is this box 4. So you click box 4, next, question number 17 right now. 17, it's asking insert a box named on the end drawing. So we can click, you just write I to insert, Then what do you want to insert? You want to insert a box called G something, G this one. So you select, or you can right click, insert, you click where you want it to kind of show there, and sorry, let me right click, insert, then you choose the first part, then the second part, and after that it's supposed to write something. And click the third place maybe. Okay, escape. Let's try to do it again. Right click, or you can click, then you click, you want it to be where and where. Okay, anyway, let's try it again. I for insert, or you can write insert in full, then it's going to take you here, then right click, insert. So what is it saying? Base point. Base point, I click, maybe specify is there, and here, and what, maybe there, something like that. It's not showing what it's supposed to show. Insert, press enter, then you select what you want to insert, you click base point and say it's there, there, there. Press enter, here, and where, there. So it's supposed to write certified here. So if I come here and write certified, because that is the text that are supposed to show, it's going to tell us what. Correct. We move to the next one. Now under home, I think it's because you know AutoCAD is very heavy. So then there is this question under home view, select styled. So we go to view, text style. Where is text style? Text style is here. So we are told to pick which one. I think this Epson APS whatever. Then from here we look for the style. Style is here, and you can see style is room. So we just come here and type room. Then we click next. That one is correct. Continue. We have got we need to open a new document called D10. D10 is somewhere here. Then D10, we are told to stretch this one up to this point, like as you can see here, to come to the point 2. So to stretch, you just need to click and you drag it up to this point. Once you do that, you click, then you select your shape again. This is it. As you can see, it looks similar to this. So once you select, you are told to check for the area of the newly whatever. So you go to the area, you select and copy that one. Once you copy, you come here, and it's supposed to be 2 decimal place, so we move 2 zeros. Next. Correct. Okay, next question is number 20. Draw point A, B, something like that, or which is on using center. That is on home. On home, click there, home. Where are those points? I cannot see them. there are points that we are given. Oh, sorry, here they are. So what are we supposed to do with the points? Draw 3 points using what is the diameter of circle using as shown in diagram. Okay, diameter of the circle is shown. Can I write diameter is this one? Copy. So we have got this way, and you click next. Is it correct? It's incorrect. Try again. Draw a 3-point circle using the centers of ABCD. Sorry, we are supposed to draw a circle. Where is circle? There is a circle somewhere. This is the circle. So 3-point circle, you click 3 point, you click that one, that one, that one. So we are asked the radius of this circle, not radius but diameter. So we right copy, come to this one and change this one to that way, and next. So it's supposed to be correct right now, and as you can see, boom, that is okay. Let's move to the next one. We are on question 21. Time is moving very fast, though it is delayed because of now this is under snap, review, snap, where is snap? Snap is here, and under snap we are told to find the center of this line. So you just need to look for the center. You can use auto mode to be okay, not auto mode, it's called snap mode. Snap mode, it's under what? And it's supposed to be under this one, snap setting. So snap setting, set to have midpoints. Yes, okay, it's okay. So you are told now to have a line that moves from the center of this one to the center of this one, like that. Escape, select the line and check the what? You check the delta x of that line that you've drawn. So delta x, you click here, and as you can see, I think it's supposed to be what? Is it negative? See? Or positive? Delta x, incorrect. Try again. What if I change this one? Maybe from negative to positive. Next. Let's see. It's correct. Now the other one is the what? This one you are told under small line here. So what happens with small line under small line, draw a closed polygon of 10 clockwise with this one. So 10, 10, 15, 17. So polyline you can write PL. Then starting point you write 10, 10, press enter. And then the next one is 15, 17. So you write 15, 17, press enter. You can see after 15, 17 we have got what? 25, 18, 25, 18, press enter. Then the next one is what? 28, 13, 28, 13, press enter. Then I think last we are supposed to do what? Escape. Let me escape too. Just escape. Then I click this one and I check the what? The length of that polyline. So the length is 24.48. Copy. Once you copy, you paste it here like that. Next, Try again. So what are we supposed to check? Length of the closed. Oh, close. Let me write close and see whether it's going to close. No, it cannot close. It cannot. It can't do that. Let me delete. Repeat again. So polyline. Polyline, not polygon. It's supposed to be PL. Polyline 1010. Press enter. Ten is here actually. You can see it's showing here. So 1010. Then we have got 1518. Is it 1517, comma 17? I think it's 1517. Yes, 1517. 17. Then we have got 2518. 25, comma 18. Alafu we have got what? 2518, 2813, 28, comma 13. Press enter. Close. Press enter. Then you select this one and you check the area length. So the length it's here, and we pick that way, copy, and once we copy, we are supposed to come here and paste it there. Next. So we anyway, let's move to the next one. We need the angular. Under these views there is dimension. Select the dimension. View, select dimension, and once you select dimension, named place angular dimension using line 1. Dimension, you can go to home. I think dimension is here. Then you choose angular. Where is it? Okay, anyway, I can write dimension here. Dim. Press enter. Then you choose angular of this line and this line. So this is the number that you asked is 30. So you're supposed to write 30. Then you click next, and that one is correct. Home, you set this one. This one gave me a lot of challenges. I can skip it for now. Let me check. Continue. Which of the following features allow you to create rounded corners? Rounded corners is fillet. Cornered is chamfer. Join is used to join. Extend is used to. So fillet is the one that creates rounded corners. Then we have got using move command. You decide to move an object using a coordinate. So in these scenarios, the values 12 represents the horizontal distance from the object starting from the point. Yeah, that is it. We click next. These icons are used for object snap mode. And what next? You get to the which property is not. It is thickness. It is the one that is not. Then we have got this one is linear, and then we have got what? Select the value of x is the one that you need to make sure is yeah. So next, so I think the questions are over. 30 out of 30. We have got some few missing questions here. How many coordinates of the system go back to that question? This one. This one I can it's supposed to be small line. Let me go back, view, small line. Want to try whether I can do small line. And small line, you write PL, enter, 10, 10, press enter. Then after 10, 10, 15, 17, 15, 17, enter. Then we have got 25, 18, 25, 18, press enter. Then we have got 28, 13, 28, 13, enter. And lastly, we are supposed to close the polyline. So C for close, and you press enter. Now this polyline, you are asked to specify the length of the closed polyline. So the length, you just find the length from here. So I think it may be, is it decimal places? Maybe it's the one that yeah, it's based decimal places actually. So that's why I told you it's very, very important to you to check those ones. Next. Okay, there was this question. These I'm not going to bother. And continue. Is there any other question which I can correct? Then we have got what? Let's check whether I can add another one. I've missed how many? 2. 2 is not an issue. 2, this one, I can check this one. 5. This one. This one is asking for grips. I move it to upwards. That was on trim, under trim. So let me check whether I can do it. I told you there are some questions which kind of look like Control Z. Sorry, it's supposed to be trim. Trim, you asked about what? Let me check. Maybe it might be decimal point. So this one you are asked about the length of the newly formed polygon. The length of the newly formed polygon. Oh, I guess it's decimal point. Copy. Let's check. Decimal point. Let me click like that. Try again like that. Incorrect. With the length of the newly formed polygons, box 1. Let me check what might be the problem. Escape. Box 1. Okay. It was about what? Stretch box up that unit. I can write stretch, press enter, 30 units, press enter. Now let me try now again. It's supposed to be stretch, press enter, then I select the object, press enter, then I pick this one and I can write that. Specify the second point, sorry. Escape, sorry, let me stretch, enter. This is the object that I want to stretch. Then specify the specify the base point of displacement. Is it this one? So that it still remains the same. Because we are checking for the length, and I think I'm correct. I've checked the length. Don't know why I am missing that one. Okay, but anyway, I'm gonna click next and continue. I can save. Is it save? Let me go to the last one and click summary to check how many I have missed. I think two questions. Those ones I can try at a later stage. So finish. Yes, I want to finish, and after that it's going to show me the results, and these are the results right now. These are the results. Okay, take a test. What? Where are the results? Let me go back to the dashboard. I was supposed to see the tests. Certified user. How to discuss satisfied user? What is happening here? Home, maybe test, completed test. Okay, I wanted to see the score. So I think it's this one, the last one. So why is it at that hour? 22, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 3, 5, 12 p.m. Book. Yeah, that was it. Thank you. Don't know why it's not showing. Yeah.